Hi everyone, this is John Miller CPA. As many of you know, I've been making videos for about 2 years now, and I've covered a lot of different subjects, but one of the things that I never really did was go over all the things that we do here at John Miller CPA Inc. So tonight I'm going to go over some of the services that we offer, and I hope at some time we'll have an opportunity to help you out with your taxes, accounting, and financial needs. To begin with, we prepare tax returns primarily for individuals and small businesses and organizations. We prepare 1040 returns. We can prepare returns for people living in any state, so we cover all the states. We also do company returns. We do LLCs, we do S corporations, we do C corps, and we even file returns for nonprofit organizations. We can do the 990 tax returns, and we also file returns for estates and for trusts. And once again, we basically can handle anybody anywhere in the country. Now, we are based out of Atlanta, Georgia, and a lot of our customers come from the Atlanta area, but we service customers all over the country. For example, we have quite a few clients in New York and Chicago. Now, in addition to tax preparation, we also offer accounting services. We have quite a few clients that like to have their accounting done monthly and sometimes quarterly. What happens is a lot of people with small businesses get real busy and they're not very good record keepers and they don't have the time to keep their own books. So we do that for them so that they can concentrate on their business, because we all do what we do best. Here we do accounting, and for small businesses, they do their business best, and it's best to leave the accounting to us. We also offer payroll services. Basically, once again, for small businesses, most of our payroll clients have between 5 and 20 employees. I do have a couple of clients that have about 50 to 100 employees, but we're mainly servicing small businesses. And we can give you some of the personal attention that some of these larger payroll services can't do. So basically, we'll cut employee checks or do direct deposits. We'll file the quarterly payroll tax returns for you. We make sure that the payroll tax deposits get made on time. And at the end of the year, we'll issue W-2s and 1099 forms. So basically, we take care of all the payroll stuff, so once again, you don't have to worry about it. You can concentrate on your business. Now, sometimes people need financial statements for their business. They're going for a loan, they're going for a mortgage. Well, we prepare compiled financial statements. We prepare an income statement and a balance sheet, and we can help you take care of that if a lender needs it, or if an investor needs it, or a bank needs it, or so on. Now, we also do new business setups. Some people come to us because they want to form a new corporation or a new LLC. So they consult with us. We help them determine whether, for example, an S Corp is better or an LLC is better. And then we also do the paperwork to form the new organization. We set the company up with the Secretary of State. We get them a federal ID number. And we make sure that they're up and running and ready for business. Now, there are also some people that like to form a 501c3 organization. It's not something we do all the time, but we have helped people out with it. If somebody wants to form a nonprofit, usually the 501c3 works best. It takes a little while to get it formed, but we've helped clients out with that, and we offer that service. Now, let's see what other services we have here. We do some training on QuickBooks and Peachtree Accounting. Those are the two most popular software packages used by small businesses. And we also help people, if they need some help with Excel, we'll help them set up an Excel spreadsheet if they have a very small business and they don't need QuickBooks. Maybe they're too small for that. We'll help them set up their accounting records so at the end of the year it's easier to manage. We also do tax research and consulting. we have some high net worth individuals who have larger companies, and they use an accounting firm, but they'll come to us with accounting questions and with tax questions, and we'll do the research to help them out. You know the old saying, two heads are better than one. Well, sometimes two CPAs could be better than one. And you can have your regular CPA, but sometimes it's good to ask a second CPA an opinion just to kind of cross-check or just to get some independent advice. We also now basically we offer any services related to accounting, taxation, and finance. So people have all sorts of things that they will come to us with, and we do our best to help them out. Now, a couple of other things that it's worth discussing. Some of you might be saying, well, gee, I'd love to use you, but you're too far away. I don't live in Atlanta. I don't live in Georgia. Well, we service anybody anywhere in the country. Now, we're not the best solution for anybody, but let me give you some examples where we can help you out. If your situation is fairly straightforward, let's say you just want to have your tax return done, or you just want to set up a corporation or an LLC, or your accounting is fairly straightforward and simple, well, you might be having trouble finding an accountant locally, and if you are, we just want to let you know that we're here. And we may be able to help you if you've gone to some other accountants and they haven't been able to. Now, if you have a more complicated business situation, or let's say you have a small business but you constantly need to sit down with your accountant, or you need your hand held, in a case like that, you might want to have a local accountant. But like I said, if you can't find somebody locally, or if your accountant's not doing what they need to do, then we are here. And that brings another thing for me to mention, and that is, many of you also might be saying, well, I already have an accountant. Well, if you already have an accountant and you're happy with them, by all means, stick with them. I would never try to get somebody to switch their accountant. You know, I'm a creature of habit. If I like what I'm doing, I stay with it. And if you have a good accountant and you like what they're doing for you, by all means, you should stay with them. But if for any reason you're not happy, or God forbid if your accountant passed away, or let's say they retired, or they don't want to do it anymore, or they've gotten too busy, or you've moved, or for whatever the reason you're in the market for a new accountant, we just want to let you know that we are here. We're here to help you, and we're happy to serve you. If you ever have any questions or you need to get a hold of us, our phone number is 770-419-3399. Our email address is johnmillercpa@gmail.com. And our website is www.incometaxpreparation.com. And if you ever have a 1 or 2 minute question, you can feel free to call us, and I'll be happy to answer your question free of charge. Well, thank you very much for watching, and I hope we can be of service to you. And in any case, I'll be making a lot more videos, so I will see you next time.